Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Amazon Music account. To log out of Amazon Music is super simple. First of all, launch open a web browser and then type in music.amazon.com and search. Once you're inside the homepage of Amazon Music, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you do that, you'll open up this expanded menu where you'll need to tap on Sign Out. Soon after you select Sign Out, you'll be redirected back to the home page of Amazon Music and you have successfully logged out easily. Logging out ensures your account stays secure, especially on shared devices, and allows you to switch between multiple Amazon accounts if needed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.